some potato picking. My dad has his potato picking outfit on today. They start growing these potatoes around Memorial Day, which is in May, and the end of May. And then they start picking them right after Labor Day. So it's the week after Labor Day, and they're getting ready to start getting all these potatoes and harvesting them. And it takes about 2 to 3 weeks to harvest all the fields, depending on the weather. And there's a long process of sorting them. My dad gets to drive the potato truck, and then he takes them and dumps them, and then people sort them, and they put them in that room that Kate was taping earlier, where it ventilates them and gives them air so they can stay fresh. And they stay fresh, I guess, until around April, when then they have people. He cut one in half with his shovel. He cut that one. That poor potato is now cut in half. Yesterday I cooked some mashed potatoes with some of the potatoes, and one potato was the size of 3 potatoes. It was humongously massive. Buster's trying to get involved in the process as well. It's just like a big assembly line where some people sort out, some people are putting potatoes in the cellar to keep them fresh for a good 6 or 7 or 8 months. And then other people have to make sure there's no dirt clods and sort the potatoes to see which ones are good and which ones are rotten, which ones are good for people to eat and things like that. Apparently, some of the potatoes they send all the way to Hawaii, and check how good the potatoes are, I guess. So the potatoes my dad will be hauling are going to be seed potatoes, which means they will be planting them as seeds to grow other potatoes, but you can also eat